car insurance in Bossier City, Louisiana. If you've got an 18-year-old that you're attempting to insure, then you probably already have a sense of the expense involved. If you are trying to insure your teenager, you'll need to get car insurance quotes for 18-year-olds. Automobile insurance for 18-year-olds is usually quite costly, as teenagers have the highest premiums in the country. This is because young drivers have the highest rate of auto accidents. This is sometimes because of lack of experience driving a vehicle. Consequently, they are a tremendously high risk for an insurance provider. Male drivers under the age of 25 are usually more aggressive drivers, so their insurance packages will typically cost more than a female driver who is under 25. Some people are convinced driving a sports car increases their insurance rates, but that isn't necessarily so. The kind of car that you are insuring will play into your costs. However, the insurance provider bases your premium around the odds that the car is going to be stolen. This is what's called the vehicle loss history of a car. Insurance companies investigate how frequently certain models of automobiles are stolen, and your premiums correspond accordingly. Another kind of automobile that may influence your insurance costs are SUVs. The reason is that should you have an accident in an SUV, you are likely to cause more damage to the other automobile as compared to if you were in a standard passenger vehicle. While your driving history influences your insurance costs as an adult, it isn't necessarily the case for young drivers. At 18, your driving history is far too brief to allow clear record to greatly affect your rates. The facts are that teenage drivers simply have more accidents than drivers over 25. In fact, 25 is the magic age at which your insurance rate drops considerably. If this seems like ageism, it is not really. Insurance companies use the same tactics FBI profilers do to set up their complicated rate information. It's all based upon the possibility of the driver and their vehicle to sustain loss or injury. All this being said, it is possible to companies who will be much less expensive in comparison with others. The best way to get the best premium on auto insurance for your teenage driver is usually to visit a website that stacks one insurance company against another. The way you can make an assessment and determine which company can provide you with the very best rates possible for your specific circumstances.